Okay. I don't know if you can hear the banging going on in Caden's room. He is very mad at me right now because I told him he can't brush his teeth anymore. So he's kicking his door. We'll open it and see what he's doing. What's the matter? Look, what's the matter? What is the matter? Caden, look at Mama. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Tell me what you want. Are you going to go back to your room? Or are you going to tell me what you want? Tell me what you want. You're being so silly. Turn around. Caden, turn around. Caden. Well, then go back in your room if you're going to cry. This is how we put him in his room when he doesn't want to get up. Are you going to tell me what you want? You're going to shut your door and go in your room. What do you want? Are you having a fit? Are you having a temper tantrum? Do you feel silly now? Say silly, Mama.
Hi.
Hi. Say love you. Say I'm crazy. And my temper tantrum's done. See, the kid's nuts.